Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Vertical and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the resetting process. So first we need to open the settings on our watch. To do it, press and hold the middle button. Once the settings open, select the general option, then scroll down, find the option called the reset settings, and once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on reset to confirm and start the resetting process. Okay, it looks like the watch turned off, so we're gonna try to turn it back on by pressing and holding the upper button for a couple of seconds, then we can release it. Let's say about now, and let's wait. And once the watch turns on, you should see select language option, which means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.